What kind of thinking of that, Mr. Chair?
It's the right thinking.
I don't believe in you.
Yung former president ba ay willing na mag-cooperate sa investigation sa ICC?
I'm asking the ICC to hurry up. This issue has been left hanging for so many years. Matagal man, baka mamatay na ako, hindi na nila ako maimbestiga. Am I that stupid? English yan. Ang Tagalog niyan is ganon ako gagago. Abogado ako, fiscal ako, ganon ako gagago.
Ang reported lamang po na namatay is reported na namatay